Surat al-Infitar, chapter of the Rending. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, when the heaven shall be rent, when the stars shall be scattered, when the sea shall be made boil up, when the grave shall be ransacked, a soul shall know what it has sent forward, and what kept back. O man, what has put thee wrong with thy Lord, the generous, who hath created thee, and formed thee, and balanced thee, in whatsoever form he pleased, constructed thee. Nay, but ye count false the judgment, but over you are guardians, noble writing, knowing what ye do. Verily the virtuous are in delight, and verily the scoundrels are in a hot place, in which they shall roast on the day of judgment, and from it they shall not be absent. What has let thee know what is the day of judgment? Again, what has let thee know what is the day of judgment? The day when one shall have no influence on behalf of another at all, and the affair will then be in Allah's hands. This chapter kind of reminds you of 50, doesn't it? And people think of guardians. Well, they are, but they may not always be on your side. It's what you choose to have them witness.